I know a lot of you people have seen these AI vloggers on TikTok. They have currently gone viral, and a lot of people are now using AI vloggers for entertainment and gossip news. I'm going to be teaching you how to create these AI vloggers for free using free AI too. Let's get into it. In order to show you what these AI bloggers look like, I'm going to direct you to TikTok, where you have Lagos Girlies Room, for example. You can see that this creator is using AI blogger to create entertainment and gossip news. You can see she has over 450,000 followers on TikTok, and her videos generate thousands and thousands of views, likes and comments. And presently, businesses even reach out to her for collaboration. So what are you waiting for? Why haven't you jumped on this trend? Another AI blogger I'm going to be showing you is Tolani Talks. Tolani Talks is fairly new and she has over 59,000 followers on TikTok. You can see she generates a lot of views with her AI blogger video. I'm going to teach you how to create your own so that you can jump on this trend that is fairly new before it becomes oversaturated. So all you need to do is go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a Nigerian woman wearing a beautiful two-piece blue top and skirt. She's also wearing a pink high heel shoes and her hair is packed into a ponytail. She has on a professional makeup and is standing in a beautiful girl pink themed room. All you are going to do here is you are going to describe how you want your AI vlogger to appear. If you want her wearing jeans, skirt and top, if you want her wearing Ankara, whatever it is you want her to wear or how you want her to appear, it is in this prompt that you are going to describe that. And again, don't forget your aspect ratio. If your audience are on TikTok, Instagram or Facebook, you should decide to use the 9:16 aspect ratio. And if your targeted audience are on YouTube, then you should use the 16:9 aspect ratio. Just choose the aspect ratio that you want to use, be it Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, whatever it is that you want to use. Choose your desired aspect ratio. Then I'm going to click on send. ChatGPT will go ahead and generate this image. Let us see what it has made out of this prompt. Now my image is ready. You can see exactly what I want ChatGPT to generate. If you don't like it, you can regenerate. Now that I am satisfied with my image, I'm just going to click on it and then click on the download icon at the top of the image in order for me to download it. Do not forget to do that too. Once I have downloaded it, the next step is to head over to a video generating tool in order to generate my video using this image. And I'm going to tell you now that this image video generating tool is free. So go to Google and type in Google Flow AI. Once you are in Flow AI, click on Create with Flow. And once you click on Create with Flow, it will bring you to this interface where you can click on New Project. In this interface now, what you are going to do is that you are going to click on Start and then click on Upload. Now we are going to bring in the image generated from ChatGPT. I'm simply going to upload the image. Now I'm going to click on the place that says Video ×1, and here you are going to choose video and then choose frame, then decide if you want the 9:16 aspect ratio or the 16:9. Also determine the number of video that will be generated, and then you determine the VEO version you want to use. All I want to tell you is that VEO quality is paid, so I think you should stick with VEO 3.1 fast. Next, you are going to go ahead and paste the video prompt for your video. So I'm just going to paste it real quick and go ahead and edit it. And now I'm just going to quickly add some things and remove some things because there's always something to add or adjust. I like to always look through my prompts now and over and again to just look at what I can improve or not. So if you want the prompt for this video, just comment prompt in the comment section and I'm also going to make it available to you for free. So now my video is now generating. You can see the image I uploaded and the video that is now generating. You have to be patient for it to generate. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, please do not forget to leave a comment, a kind comment for me, or you just like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for that. Now my video is ready. As you can see, I'm just going to click on it and take a listen. You can take a listen and see if it is what you like. Wow. You can see she's saying the gist with so much sass and energy, and she's even being dramatic at the same time, and this is nice. So this is the first dialogue that I have generated with Flow AI. So I'm just going to go ahead and download, and if you want to continue the video, from this dialogue, you want to paste the subsequent dialogue for the same gist, I'm going to teach you how to do so. So once you download your video, so you have downloaded it, you can see where Flow AI is asking you what happens next. Just go ahead and tap on where it says what happens next. Once you tap on it, it will bring out this series of buttons below. You can see extend, insert, remove, camera. All I'm going to do now is I'm going to paste a second script in the text box and then edit what I don't like. I just want the script to be there. Flow AI will go ahead and generate an extension of my first video. So it will give me my first video together with my second script, or that is together with the AI saying my second script. Just watch and see. It is generating the video. So this video consists of my first generated video and the second generated video, the script I just gave Flow AI. This is beautiful because I used to think this is possible only in Grok AI or with Grok AI, but I now see that we can use it. We can use the extend button too in Google Flow AI to generate videos. So you can see it is generating it for me. And if you look closely again, you can see that Flow AI is asking me what happens next. That means I can also extend this video to a third one if I just drop or paste my third script. This is actually beautiful. So now we are going to wait for it to generate the first and second video combined. Now it is done generating it. All I need to do is click on it. You can see I have clicked on it and it is saying the lines for the first script and the second script that I extended as one video. This is very beautiful. You can see it's even a video that is more than 10 seconds, up to 15 seconds video in Flow AI. You can use it for free to create your AI bloggers. You don't need to pay for any tool. Now let's go ahead and download our video, because this is very important. You know, after generating your video, you must download it in order to have a copy. So I'm just going to click on the download button at the top, and it will tell me, do I want the clip 1 or clip 2 or the full video? I'm just going to click on the full video. That is, I have the 15-minute video, but if you want the first video, you click on clip 1, it will give you your clip 1. If you want the second video, you click on clip 2, it will give you your clip 2. This is very easy. It is so seamless and easy to use even for a beginner. Please, if you enjoyed this video and you find any value in it, do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you. Now the next thing we are going to do is we are going to go ahead and edit our video. If you notice that I showed you in the beginning of this video some AI bloggers on TikTok like Lagos Girlies Room and Tolani Talks for inspiration, you will also see that in their videos they have the image of who they are speaking about, or the subject they are speaking, or the character they are speaking about on top of their video. I'm going to be teaching you how to do that. You know, this is a no gatekeeping zone, so I'm going to be teaching you how to do, including that with your video editing app. So I'm just going to go to InShot, click on new and bring in the video I generated from Google Flow AI, and then I'm going to go ahead and make sure it's on 9 by 16. Next I'm going to go to PIP and then bring in the image of the person that this gossip is about. it is this woman. I'm just going to bring her here, then scroll to where you have mask and then click on circle. You can see the image is now in circle. You can decide to increase the width of the line around the circle, like you are seeing I'm doing with the line. And you can also decide that you want to increase the circle image like this. You can see, you can decide you want to increase the size of the image by just using your hand to expand it, like you are seeing on the screen, and then decide where to place it. If you want to place it below, beneath, or wherever you think you have space in the video. So now that this is done, I'm just going to click on it and see. I see. I'm going to adjust it again because I don't like how where it's
wait Abuja babe catch her boyfriend with another girl. She no fight. She send the video to his mother, and after she send them, the guy mama call family meeting immediately. Now everywhere scatter, wicked or smart.
Done, I'm just going to click on, I'm just going to remove the watermark, insert watermark on this video real quick. To do that, I'm just going to click on it and then click on free remove. InShot will go ahead and remove it so that my video does not come with the InShot watermark, and this is why I prefer this editor. Next, I'm just going to go to the top right hand corner and click on export.